Each day, more than 30 million tons of goods move through the United States. The very things that keep you fed, clothed, and connected because of suppliers, manufacturers, shippers, and receivers.
I started my career in the supply chain just out of high school driving a tug.
I didn't want to rack up debt from college loans when I wasn't sure what to do with my life.
Supply chain careers offer competitive salaries, health benefits, and many opportunities for career growth.
Many companies in supply chain will even pay for your college tuition, so you don't go into debt.
Dream big. A career in supply chain awaits.